While technology makes our lives easier, its production consumes rare earth and scarce elements. Currently, there are more rare earth elements in landfills than there are left in our mines. Continuing business as usual could bring electronics industry to a halt. Margik is producing multifunctional organic electronic materials to enable organic electronics to replace common technologies. Organic electronics such as organic light-emitting diodes and photovoltaics have already made their way into our lives. They are used in displays of smartphones, TVs, watches, also lighting panels, and even windows. Today's approaches of organic electronics production are still costly and consume significant amount of energy, limiting their ability to dominate the market. Margik's materials enable faster manufacturing, lower greenhouse emissions, and increased revenue margins for our customers. Margik is supported by National Science Foundation in partnership with UNC Charlotte and is part of Chain Reaction Innovations entrepreneurial programs supported by Department of Energy and Argonne National Lab. Our products are customizable organic materials compatible with manufacturing capabilities of our customers. The company currently has 3 active research scale pilots with manufacturers to accelerate our ability to become a reliable supplier. Consumer electronics market is highly conservative and competitive, and we first would target manufacturers of niche and luxury products due to rapid integration and small production batches. Next, we'll expand into lighting market and ultimately into consumer electronics market. Margik wants to stand at the forefront of the electronics revolution to become safe and sustainable. The future of marketing and display industry, from smartwatch to laptop to a bottle of perfume, is in LEDs. But so far, consumer electronics is catastrophic for the environment. Margik developed more sustainable solution which won't require you to stop using your gadgets, but will improve the environment. Modern displays and lighting already began shifting towards organic electronics. For example, organic light-emitting diodes, or OLEDs, but they cannot become mainstream due to complex manufacturing. Today's OLEDs are 20-layered headache. They're made one layer at a time, making manufacturing way too complex, and novel solution-based printing that would be fast is simply impossible due to lack of appropriate materials. Based on a customer discovery, 90% of OLED manufacturers use scarce materials as well. And all of this compiles into missed opportunity of $1 trillion worth of revenue for our customers. Our value proposition is to enable 90% faster manufacturing of OLEDs by enabling going from 20 layers to 3-layer design requested by our customers. This would require new materials to come to market. Margik's solution is to provide novel multifunctional organic materials platforms to our customers. We're differentiated by 2 patents on our technology that enables 3-layer OLEDs. We would be selling our products in forms of powders as shown on the bottom left. Our materials do not employ any scarce or toxic elements. They're stable with respect to moisture and air. They reduce power consumption by 23% and greenhouse emissions by 66% that are coming from consumers using their electronics. Our materials are also easily integrated with current manufacturing technologies of our customers. They provide customization opportunities as well as enable manufacturing simplification. Historically, as new displays came to market, new materials-based spin-offs would also emerge to address the newly occurring needs. Margik is following the model that has previously deemed to be successful. As shown, these companies here emerged as spin-offs to address respective needs in their industries, and had proved to do so successfully. Margik emerged to address the needs of new eye-safe and environmentally friendly displays. We have a growing, ambitious team. My name is Margaret. I'm a founder and CEO with experience in the core technology of the company and background in materials engineering and production. Our business development specialist Rusty has experience in business development in the area of OLED technologies from world-leading companies. We're also gaining maturity into our company through our mentors that have collectively over 60 years of experience in the areas of consumer electronics as well as bringing technology from lab to market. We're planning to use B2B business model by selling our materials to manufacturers of electronic devices. Our ultimate market is consumer electronics, which would enable us to reach $1 billion share of this market by year 2030. We expect to launch a product on the market by year 2024 and to become profitable by year 2025. But in order to get there, we have to carve out a path of establishment as supplier. We plan to first launch our product in US and North American market, expanding into European market, and then into East Asia, which is our largest market. Margik has currently 4 active customer pilots on research scale, 5 letters of intent from potential customers, and we're continuing to participate in accelerators and mentoring programs, as well as we are supported by non-dilutive funding of over $1 million from agencies such as Department of Energy and National Science Foundation. We're actively getting a product into customers' hands. Currently, we're going after niche applications manufacturers as well as alternative technologies manufacturers. We also have been able to successfully produce Blue LED with OLEDWorks. It is the largest OLED lighting producer on the market. And we learned that we are not only able to seamlessly integrate into their devices, but also improve the performance of the current OLEDs. We're also looking to achieve our demo device product. Currently, we're partnering with the company Nuru to produce a light-up OLED device, but we're also open to other opportunities and other types of products to test and demonstrate performance of our materials. Next step, which is to launch a full production scale pilot. This would enable us to mitigate historical risks of startups in our space, such as inability to scale up the product, inability to ensure the quality of the product, or failure to deliver material within necessary timelines globally. Margik translates as loving change. If you would love to make change with us, please reach out. Thank you.